Good afternoon, this is Tamara Sweeney from Love Dominates. I am actually celebrating my son's birthday. It's not till the 9th, but I have to go out of town for an awful situation, but I am going to leave some yard signs for my son. I don't know if you can see that. It's his 22nd birthday. I haven't seen him in 7 years. I have a card for him. I don't know if you can see this. I made a poster for him on both sides, had it laminated so the X can't rip it up. Or the Alienator, I should say. So I gave him a little bit of memories. And then I also have my poster here. Choose love over hate. Stop parental alienation. Love dominates. That is my message. I'm also dropping off old Christmas gifts because, you know, I wasn't allowed. I was threatened that if I contacted my kids, I would have harassment charges slapped on me or arrested and have a third degree misdemeanor of text harassment. You can't even say I love you to your kids. I mean, how sad is that? Who's controlling who? Anyway, I also have on the back of the posters, I just wanted them to see. This was just a saying my son and I used to say all the time was, I don't know if you can see it, love you to the moon and back. You know, XXOO is just hugs and kisses. And then I wrote, Mom loves you. So I'm actually going to try to go to the door and see if he will accept these gifts. So, I don't know. Let's see. I know there's 2 cars home, so I know they're home. So, let me see if they answer. Hi, here's some Christmas gifts.
Why are you recording?
Because.
Stop, please stop.
Okay.